Hey everyone, welcome back to Life Tips. If you're looking to save money while embracing a minimalist and eco-friendly lifestyle, you're in for a treat. Today we're sharing 7 frugal living hacks you haven't heard before. These hacks will help you replace common household items with minimalist and eco-friendly alternatives, making your life both simpler and greener. Ready to discover some game-changing tips? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about food storage. Instead of using single-use plastic wrap, switch to reusable beeswax wraps. They're perfect for covering food, wrapping sandwiches, or storing leftovers. Just wash them with cold water and soap, and they're ready to use again and again. Moving on to cleaning, ditch the commercial cleaners. Instead of buying expensive cleaning products, make your own all-purpose cleaner using ingredients you probably already have at home. Mix equal parts water and white vinegar, and add a few drops of essential oil for a fresh scent. It's effective, cheap, and eco-friendly. Now, let's look at grocery shopping. Instead of grabbing plastic produce bags at the store, use reusable mesh or fabric produce bags. They're great for fruits and vegetables, and you can wash them easily. This small change helps cut down on plastic waste and is a simple way to live more sustainably. Let's save some money on batteries. Switch to rechargeable batteries. Instead of buying single-use batteries, invest in rechargeable ones. They can be used hundreds of times, saving you money in the long run and reducing battery waste. Pair them with a solar or plug-in charger for an even greener option. Segment 5, Cloth Napkins. Time to cut back on paper products. Use cloth napkins instead of paper. Swap out paper napkins for cloth ones. They're durable, reusable, and can be washed with your regular laundry. This small change not only saves you money, but also helps reduce paper waste in landfills. Segment 6, Composting Kitchen Scraps. Let's get eco-friendly with your kitchen waste. Start a simple compost bin. Instead of throwing away fruit and vegetable scraps, start a compost bin. Composting helps reduce food waste and creates nutrient-rich soil for your garden. You don't need a fancy setup, just a container and some basic knowledge to get started. Segment 7, Water-Saving Devices. Lastly, let's save on water bills. Install water-saving devices like low-flow shower heads and faucet aerators. These devices reduce water usage without sacrificing performance. They're easy to install and can lead to noticeable savings on your water bill. Outro. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more minimalist and frugal living tips, and leave a comment below with your own eco-friendly swaps. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.